Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling WSL and the virtual machine platform so Windows can host a Linux kernel. Open PowerShell as administrator and run the enable commands, then restart immediately. Once done, make sure CPU virtualization is enabled in BIOS or UEFI settings because WSL2 requires it. You don't need additional VMs or third-party tools. This is the only supported path. After reboot, you'll prepare to install Ubuntu from the Microsoft Store and convert WSL to version 2 for full compatibility. Now install Ubuntu. Either use the Microsoft Store or run WSL install to fetch a distribution. After the install, immediately set WSL2 as the default with WSL set default version 2 so new distros use the updated kernel and file system performance. Launch Ubuntu to create your Linux user account and password, then run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to bring packages current. Make sure services or dev tools you need are installed now, because this environment acts like a native Linux shell. Finish by integrating your workflow. Access Linux files at \\WSL$ from Explorer, and call Windows tools from the Ubuntu shell using full paths. If you need GUI apps or Docker, enable WSL GUI support and install required packages or update WSL with WSL Update. If networking, mounts, or startup fail, try WSL shutdown and restart the distro or restart the LXSS manager service. That resolves most issues. If kernel updates are needed, follow the on-screen guidance and run WSL Update to keep the subsystem current.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.